Hi, friends. I have my assistant with me today. Can you tell me your name?
Evan.
Evan, my son Evan. He is in kindergarten. He's 6 years old. His birthday is in a week and a half. 6.5. I'm so sorry. 6.5. He will be 7 on the 25th. So,
and it's in 10 days.
Yeah, in 10 days. And so, anyway, he was going to help me out today with calendar. I thought you might enjoy seeing another silly face. All right. Evan, we start every day with calendar books. My friends have calendar books, and we start with singing the months of the year song. You're gonna have to be still, okay? Oh, you're gonna sing with us? Okay, so get your calendar books, put your finger on the very first month, and we're gonna sing. Ready, Evan? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Boom.
All right, so we're in the month of April. April
the
25th. I know, that's your favorite day.
April the 25th.
Oh boy, we've heard that a lot. Okay. So now we're going to do our days of the week. Put your finger on the very first day on your calendar book, and we're going to say them. Okay, ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, Evan, I'm going to scoot you this way.
Why?
Because
I want to do it.
yesterday we said that it was, what word is this?
Oh. Wait, let me spell it.
Hurry.
Today.
That was yesterday. Tuesday. All right, and so we sing and we sign when we sing. Can you help us? We say, yesterday was Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, all day long.
All day long.
All right, so
Let me do that.
this is a little tricky, bub, because I had to take it off the chalkboard, and then it doesn't want to fit very well on this door. Okay, so yesterday was Tuesday. Put your finger on Tuesday and bring it down one day to see what is it today. Today is Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, all day long. You silly boy. All right, so today is Wednesday. Right. Wednesday. You might hear some people say that it's hump day. Hump day means that it is in the middle of the week. It's the very middle one.
No one.
All right. So put your finger on Wednesday. That's enough. Put your finger on Wednesday. Take it over to the next one, and it says that tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, so watch as we sign this. Ready, bub? Tomorrow will be Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday, all day long. I don't think he knows how to sign like we do. Stinker. Okay. All right, so here we have that tomorrow will be Thursday. All right.
Thursday and then Friday and then
Let's go ahead and turn your page to the actual calendar, and we're going to put on our very next day. Very, very next day.
It's 15.
Well, let's see. Yesterday it was the 14th.
No, it's today.
What comes after 14, Evan?
15.
15. Yeah, let's go back. Hey. All right. Let's go on back. All right. So let's think about
They
what.
can't see me.
They'll see you in a minute. They can certainly hear you. All right. This may be the last day I have an assistant. This may have been a bad idea. Okay. So let's read our color pattern. Evan, we're going to read it. You want to help us read it? Okay. We have gray, yellow, green, orange. Gray, yellow, green, orange. Gray, yellow, green, orange. Gray, yellow, green. Right. So we're going to write number 15 in green. 15 is a 1 and then a 5. Evan, what number is first whenever you write 15? Which one comes first, the 1 or the 5?
1, and then it comes after 5.
Right. So
5
1.
is greater than 5.
1, and then the 5. Okay, so whenever you have your green crayon, nope. You want to make sure that you do have the 1 first, and then the 5. Okay, otherwise it makes a different number. Do you know what number it makes? Whenever you do the 5 first, do you know, Bob?
5.
If the 5 is first, it makes number 50.
55.
51.
51, yeah.
51.
51. If you have a 9 and if you have a 10 and you switch it to a 1, it'll be.
Okay, you're talking silly now. That's not what we're talking about.
I can't
Okay.
see everyone.
All right. Now let's turn our page.
Yay!
We're gonna turn. If you're gonna sit with me, you'll have to be quiet. Okay. My friends need to hear what I'm teaching. Okay.
Can I be done?
You want to be done?
Wait, I want to be done with the iPad then.
Okay. Well, if you're gonna be done, go on. It's quiet time. Okay. So we are doing. Oh wait, I think it's the hundredths day. Whew. You've got me all off the hundredths page. I mean the hundredths page, your hundredths chart. Okay, so take your crayon and pick a number, Evan, between 1 and 100. Any number. What number?
99.
99. The boy has spoken. 99. Okay, so go ahead and color in 99.
99.
Evan, what does a 99 look like?
It's a 9 and a 9.
A 9 and a 9. Right. Here we go. It's a 9 and a 9. Kind of wrote that one back upside down. All right. Lots of interruptions today, guys. Sorry. 99. Okay. It's going to be towards the very bottom. It's the number right before. What comes after 99?
100.
Right. 100. So it's going to be at the very, very bottom. So go ahead. Please stop. So go ahead and fill in that particular number. Okay. And instead, I taught Evan our tens song today. So instead of starting at 99 and counting somewhere or counting down to 99, we're going to count by tens today. And we're going to do our song. Remember how I showed you the song this morning? Okay, so we started our toes. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, now we can go. Now we can go to our number of the week. And so remember, this week we're doing the number 8. We're doing the number 8. Okay. And so yesterday we wrote the word 8. We said that 8 was greater than 5. So a number that was less than 5. Less than 8 was 5. We wrote that here. We also did our rods and ones. We did not need a full 10 rod because it was less than 10. And then our tens frame, we did not need to fill it in all the way because we just had 8. Okay. So Evan, I wanted you to help today because they do a lot of number bonds in their kindergarten class. And so I thought that he would be good to help us with this number bond.
Can I show my
No, nobody wants to see how you hurt your toe. This calendar. Not show and tell. All right, so we're going to start with putting our number right here. Let me get where you can see. Okay, so if we have 8.
When can I help you?
We can break it apart. We can look up here and say, well, here's 5 and then 3. We could break it apart that way. I can show you what that would look like as well. Here I have 8 crayons. Do you want to hold them? Okay,
Yeah.
hold all 8 where they can see. Honey, no. Show my friends. All
that
8
hurts.
crayons. That does not hurt, you silly. All right, all 8 crayons. Okay, so now will you give me 3? Okay. Okay, so I have 3. Hold yours up, bub. So they can see. How many do you have?
5.
You have 5, right? So 3 and 5 all together make 8, okay? So we're going to break our number into 3 and 5. We still have 8, right? How many crayons do we have? You have 8.
8
Mm-hmm.
crayons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
No, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
All right. So let's look at your calendar book. We broke it into, how many crayons did you have?
5.
You had
This
5.
is number 5. And then you had 3.
And I had 3, right. I had 3. Here, what if I scoot this over if they can see a little bit better. Okay. So we broke it into 3 and 5. But it's still 8. We still always had 8 crayons, didn't we?
Yeah.
We had 8 crayons every time. All right, so now we're going to put that in number sentences. Okay? What were our 2 numbers, Evan? How many crayons did you have?
5.
You had 5. Okay, so I'm going to write 5. Oh, let me move it where they can see me writing. 5.
And you had 3.
5 plus, and then I had 3.
Equals 8.
8, yes. I'm going to erase those and write them. It's hard to write up sideways like that, and when it's up and kind of wiggles. So 5 plus 3 equals, and here's our number, which is 8. Okay. Evan had 5 crayons, and I had 3 crayons, and together we had 8 crayons.
Yeah,
Okay.
8.
So now let's start with
5.
8 crayons. Okay. Here's my 8.
So more, please.
And how many crayons did you have, Evan?
5.
You had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Now, that leaves me with how many crayons?
3.
3, right.
Yay, and I got 5.
8. We had 8 altogether.
No.
Take away, or minus
Minus
5, because Evan had 5, equals
all together.
3.
Right?
Hey, oh look, we're doing minus. We're not doing all together. Okay, equals. Or that's how many is what's left. Okay, so we had 8 together. Evan took his 5, and that left me with 3. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. All right, good job. Let's go to the weather graph page. Okay. Yeah, Evan, my friends have a calendar book, and it has a weather graph page in it. Here, let me get over where you can see. You scoot this way. If you want to be in the video, you gotta scoot this way. And it has a weather graph page. And so they look outside and they figure out what the weather is today. What's our weather like outside our house?
Sunny.
It's a sunny day, right? It was kind of cool this morning, but it's actually turning out to be a really nice day.
Yeah.
So, if we were going to be filling in a weather graph for over here, what would we color? What kind of weather?
Sunny.
Sunny, right? We would have a sunny day. And so that's what it is at our house. Whenever you watch the video, or whenever you whatever time of day it is, or even whatever day it is, it may be different at your house. But at our house today, it is sunny day. All right, let's go to the very last page of your calendar books. And today, hey Evan, I want to see if you will help us with. Evan loves math. It's his most favorite thing. He loves.
I like math. I like playing.
Well,
I like playing with Beyblades.
I'm talking about school stuff. And he loves to learn about coins and money. And he was watching one of my videos earlier, and he heard me say on the video for you guys yesterday to find a coin that
was 10 cents, 5 cents.
And he got really excited because he's like, that's a dime, that's a nickel. And so I thought he could help us.
A quarter and a penny.
Quarter and a penny?
Yeah.
Well, I thought you could help us today with clocks.
Clock.
Clocks.
Mommy's over there.
Yeah. So we have a chant that we say about clocks, okay? And it's with an analog clock, and we have a long. No, you listen. It has the tall hand. It's the longest one, and this is the minute hand, which points to the 12. We are only learning about time to the hour. So like if it's
6
o'clock, okay? And then we learned that the short one is the hour hand. So this is how it goes. So you ready? I'm going to teach it to you. And you can do it with us, okay? The hour hand is oh so short. The minute hand is oh so long. Can you do it with us? No? Let's do it one more time. The The hour hand is oh so short. The minute hand is oh so long. All right. So here, I want you to hold up a time for me.
Okay.
And we're going to just do one time real quick. Hold it up to the camera. Show the camera.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay. So if you have your clocks, we're going to make it say 12 o'clock on our clocks. Let's see. We always have our minute hand point to the 12, right? For o'clock.
But
And
that
then
hand's not on the 12.
Then, because it's not 12 o'clock. And then the hour hand is also going to point all the way up to the top on 12. And so, Evan, what do you think? Is it the same?
Yeah.
It's the same. Right. So 12 o'clock. So we got to put it up here together. 12 o'clock and 12 o'clock. And we play a game in our class where we would give a thumbs up if this is the right one and it matches. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you say it in sign language, we could say same. You could say that these are the same. You'll take your hand, put your 3 middle fingers in together, and you kind of hold it out like this, like ears, and you go across. That means same. Okay? So that it would be the same. All right, friends. Well, it's been so good to have Calendar with you. I want you to make sure you check the morning announcements tomorrow because I am doing the morning announcements for the Anthony School tomorrow. So that'll be so exciting. Yeah, that's our school. That's Miami School. And also, it is Get Outside Day for Spirit Week. And so I hope that you've had a good time doing something outside. Tomorrow is Pajama Day. So I'm going to be wearing my pajamas for videos.
I'm going to wear my pajamas
You think
for
so?
video. Yeah.
I don't know if he'll be with us tomorrow for the video. All right, friends. I hope that you have a great day and that you could follow along a little bit. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you.